This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. So we're going to take a look here at crude oil and natural gas. First of all, we're going to take a look here at Tesla, TSLA. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, selling stock market ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have Tesla weekly chart, which is pretty much what we're going to need right now. First of all, I want to give a shout out to all the veterans who served. Appreciate. Okay, so here we go. This is old Tesla. Okay, so obviously we gapped up here today. Look at there. See, look at that big gap up. Okay, but we have like what they call an indecision candle, so we got to be a little bit careful. Okay, so today's low here was what did it get down to? 336.51, and then Friday's high got 328.71. So now we have that gap going on there. Okay, so that's what we got to be very, very careful of. Again, if that law loses that, then what we do is we just follow these candles right on down here. Okay, so then you got your high of 313.80, and then we come over here to the top of this candle, 299.29, and then you just keep following the candles all the way down until we get right down to the bottom here. 271 here, and then we can get your 8-day all the way down here, 266.90. Now here on the upside, if it keeps right on ripping, well, I say today we got as high. What do we get here? Okay, 358.64. So what we do is we look right here to the left of the chart. Okay, you bring this price channel right across, and what do we got? Your next level is going to be 364.07. We get above that, we're going to come right here. You're looking at 371.59, and then we'll come right to the top of this candle here at 384.29, bring that price channel over. Then we'll bring this channel right on over here, and what do we got? You got 402.67, and then your 414.50. That is your big breakout and your all-time high, and boom. Blue sky above, baby. That's it. Blue sky above. But just be a little bit careful here because you're going to get some tax selling coming in here. Maybe not today, not tomorrow, but here, but usually at the end of the year, and then we'll have a rally up. But this is the one that's going to be in play as long as Musk is connected there with the T-Man. I think this is going to be very much in play going forward. Okay, let's take a look here now at crude oil and natural gas. Okay, here we have crude oil. Here we have natty gas, daily chart. Now, I'll take a look at the crude ski here first. Now, you can see Friday we had this red candle. We had all these indecision topping tail candles here. And then we had a big red candle here, which closed below the 8-day. And the 50-day and the 21-day. That's never really good, okay? So today we had all the way down. Look at here what we got. So we hit a low there of 67 on 97 level. We went past this one here. We're looking for that 68.30, okay? But then again, we can always look right to the left of the chart, and you'll find your support levels going all the way through. Now, your next level keeps on ripping down is you got 67.28 level, and then we're going to come down here, 66.92, and then we're going to have your retest at 66.72, which is that price channel. We lose that, and you're going to come right here, 66.33, and right there, 65.63, and then big retest, 65.27. Use that. You're going to go down to 63.64, down to 60, and down to in the 50s very, very easily. Now, again, this was that war premium situation, more premium. But once that election comes in here, okay, you have to look at it. When you have a different administration, especially Trump, he likes big volume, okay? So what he wants is he wants you to pump like hell, but he doesn't want to give you pay anything for it. So he wants that price to come down because he knows at the gas pump, it's a tax on people, and that's not a good thing. He wants to have more money in your pocket. That's how it works, okay? So just remember, all I got to do is go back to 4 years when he was in there, look at a chart, and you'll see exactly how it works out here. So we got this big red candle here. There's nothing bullish about this at all. I'm short with the SCO. I've been short here because once he got in, I can't see we're going to have some kind of a huge upside. Another thing is there's the wars, never no retaliation here so far with Iran and Israel. I think with Trump in the White House, he does not like wars. He either wants to get these settled or he'll blow you off the map, one or the other. Just ask Syria, and they'll tell you exactly what he did there with them 59 missiles. So just understand that if you're a trader, you're here to make money. That's what we're trying. We're not here to talk politics. We're not here to worry about all this and all that. We're here to make money off of that. So just remember, who's ever in office, that's how you make money off the situation. He does not like it. This is going to be a short ski, and then we'll have to see if it comes down to 66.72, what it does. What's the reaction? If it comes down here, what's the reaction? Come down there, 65.27, what is the reaction? Now, say it just starts rallying up here. Well, we just follow the candles up. You got 68.30. We'll come up here. You got 69.32. We'll look to the bottom of here. You're looking at 69.74. and then we'll come over to the bottom of this candle, 69.99, and then we start running in all this 70.40, that's your 21-day, then we have your 50-day at 70.63, and then we have your 70.80, which is your 8-day. But right now, this is very, very bearish. Like I've been pointing out here, see, we have a high, a lower high, okay, and we have lower high situation going down. See, this is a very, very bearish, it's still a bearish chart. There's nothing positive about this. It's the same scenario as like what we have situation until we can rally up here, but we never did make it back all the way up here to that high of that 84.52 level here. We just put in these series of lower lows, and that's what we got going on here now. Okay, natural gas. Now you can see natural gas is ripping. You say, wow, Irontrader, why is gas ripping? I'll tell you why natural gas is ripping. Moving higher, couple reasons, okay? If you trade the charts, I pointed out here this bull flag situation. You break out above that top of that candle, and then you're going to go to the next level, which was right there, okay? We're right sitting there at 2.91. Now you can see the price has got above that, but it couldn't hold it. So you have 2.95. So you just go right to the level right here. What do you got? Okay, 2.948. So you came right there to that 2.95. Next level is going to be 2.98, and then we have 3, and then we have 3.01. But we take one level at a time, okay, on the upside. Now, the reason natural gas is running is simply as this. When Biden was in the White House, what he did is he put a hold on 11, I believe it was 11 or 13 pipelines that do LNG, natural gas. Yes, we are still shipping LNG, but not in the amounts that we could be or with the LNG going forward, okay? Basically, he said we're analyzing it, and that's all total bullshit, okay? All it is you wanted to please the climate change people before the election. However, if you see right through that, he is pumping the most oil in history at 13.5 million barrels a day. We're pumping more than Saudi Arabia. We're pumping more than Russia. So this is what you got here. It's kind of like, you know, like a magician. Look at my left hand while you see my right hand kind of a situation. But now LNG is going to be a big play going forward because he's going to take all those pipelines. Granholm was the energy secretary. Why she's in there is she's a complete token. She knows nothing about energy, and I can say that with a solid, straight face because she was the governor of my state, and she completely sucked, okay? So now he's going to get somebody in there that knows what the hell they do about energy. Oil, natural gas, wind, solar, everything. He's going to know. They're going to know, male or female, they will know exactly what the hell they have to do versus this token, like you're just going to put somebody in a job just to put them in the job, okay? That makes no sense to me. I'm the kind of guy, I don't care what color you are, I don't care what race you are, I don't care if male, female, it means nothing. Bottom line, the only thing that always means something to me, can you do the job? That's it. She can't do the job. So this is why natty gas is running up here very, very nicely, and the bull flag is playing out. UNG was a really, really good scalp ski today. So, you know, nice. Okay, so now we're looking on the upside here. You just watch right there. 2.919, that's the key. The next big target is going to be right there at that 3.01. Okay, very, very simple. Downside, we want to watch today's low. Okay, 2.76. We want to watch Friday's high, 2.74, and then we have that 8-day right there at 2.72. If that is lost, this 2.65 has been holding very, very nice here for those 4 days. If that's lost, we come right to the 21-day. You come to the 50-day. But this is looking very nice. So now we have a trading range. The key is, are we going to break above this 2.91 and then go to the next level, okay? So just, you know, trade the charts. That's why we have it here, trade the charts. We get above that, and then we can look at this nice level right up here at 2.159, okay? But we have to get above right there at 2.91. We have to get above this 3.01 before we could hit that bad boy at 3.159, okay? So this is why you trade the charts. You can see where it went up here, but so far you can't get above and close above the top of that candle, okay? So natural gas long, crude oil short. Okay, always pay attention what's going on in the U.S. in the White House, okay? It makes a huge difference when you are a trader, okay? Our job is not politics, it's not this, it's not that. It's making money off of commodities, oil, natural gas, gasoline, you know, tech, you know, oil, gold, silver, whatever, okay? That's the job. All right, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.